These Asian flavor sticky spare ribs turned out even better than I thought they were going to. I've got a rack of spare ribs that I trimmed up, squared off, and removed the membrane, and I am seasoning them with Spiceology's Korean barbecue rub. Beautiful color. I've got my Oklahoma Joe's Ryder DLX 900 pellet smoker preheated to 225 degrees. We're gonna let these go for roughly 5 hours. I'm going unwrapped, and I'm gonna spritz them every hour or so with some apple juice. In the meantime, I'm gonna make the glaze. We're using Japanese barbecue sauce, Mike's Hot Honey for a little sweet heat, chili garlic sauce. At this point, I tasted it, but it needed a little oomph, so I added in some soy sauce and rice wine vinegar to balance out the sweetness. Perfect. This is what the rack was looking like after about 5 hours, so I cranked up the temp to 275, put them back on, glazed them, and let them go for another half hour. Holy smokes. The flavor of these, the texture, still had a little bit of a tug, but pulled clean off the bone. Perfect. Hope you guys enjoy.